Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into a tutorial on how to withdraw money from Binance, the centralized cryptocurrency exchange. As always, before we jump into today's topic, please make sure to drop a thumbs up on the video below if you enjoy the content. Hit that subscribe button. We are on the way to our first 1,000 subscribers and it would mean the world if you subscribed. We are dropping multiple videos every single week and you're going to want to stay updated on all the latest content. So hit that notification bell icon so you can get notified when all of the newest videos drop to stay on top of the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency landscape and hit your crypto goals. So today we are looking at a tutorial on how to withdraw money from Binance, and we're going to give you the step-by-step guide as to how to do so. So diving in, obviously if you are looking and trying to understand how to withdraw money from Binance, we are assuming that you already have a Binance account set up that probably has either some cryptocurrency or some fiat currency in there that you want to try and withdraw. So there's two different methods we're going to be looking at for withdrawing money from Binance. The first method is going to be withdrawing cryptocurrency, and the second method is going to be withdrawing fiat currency, i.e. US dollars or euros, for example. So first and foremost, again, assuming that you have a Binance account already, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to your spot wallet area, which is the dashboard for showing you all of your cryptocurrencies and all of the funds that you have in your account. So when you come into your spot wallet, there is a very simple button here that says withdraw beside most of the currencies. If you do not see the withdraw button, what you need to do is you need to just click on the three dot icons here and you will see the withdraw button down below here. So the first option we're going to look at is withdrawing a cryptocurrency like USDT, for example, but this method is the same whether you're withdrawing Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So click on the withdraw button beside that specific crypto and it's going to bring you to the withdraw crypto page. So again, we are selecting the token that we want to withdraw, and again the prerequisite here is that we need to have a wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency that we want to withdraw from Binance, because Binance needs to know where to send our token. So in this area, this is where you need to paste in your token address. And again, the important thing to remember here, you're going to need to generate this either from a different cryptocurrency wallet, or maybe you're sending or withdrawing your funds to another centralized exchange, whether it's Coinbase or whether it's Kraken or something different. But you do need to go to either your destination wallet or your destination exchange where you're withdrawing your token to. Make sure you generate your wallet address where you want to send it to and paste that in here. The second thing you need to make sure to confirm correctly is your network. So again, USDT, for example, is compatible with a number of different networks like the Ethereum network, like the Binance Smart Chain, like the Polygon network. So what you need to do is you need to select the network that you want to use for that transfer. And again, your destination wallet address may predetermine this for you. So if you're using something like MetaMask and you're using the Ethereum network in MetaMask, you're going to want to make sure you select the Ethereum ERC20 network from this dropdown. Now, Ethereum may not actually be a good option because gas fees are so high. It's going to cost you $15 to do that transaction. So again, you might be using MetaMask and you might want to select the Binance Smart Chain network and copy your Binance Smart Chain wallet address into this box here and then select the BSC network from the network option in the drop down, because you can see that the fees are so much smaller at only 22 cents, for example. Now, Binance is pretty good. They are going to prompt you to confirm that the network you're selecting is correct and it is supported by the BNB Smart Chain, because you do not want to send your token or your crypto to a wallet that does not support the network you're trying to use, because your funds may be lost forever. And as you know, in this space, that is never a good option. So click on yes, I'm sure, or no, I'm not sure. Obviously go and double check your wallet or the destination where you're sending it to make sure that it is compatible with the network that you're trying to use. So then you click yes, I'm sure. Then you need to denote the amount of cryptocurrency that you are going to withdraw or that you want to withdraw. In our case, we've only got just over 2 USDT in our account. So let's click on max. There is a network fee that we can see here, so that we can see that we are going to receive in our wallet the amount of USDT minus the network fee. And then when we click on withdraw, it's going to prompt us again or remind us that we are using the BNB Smart Chain network and that we need to 100% confirm that this token is supported by the network that we're using and that the network is supported by the wallet where we are sending our funds to. So then we click on confirm, and then it's going to ask us to double check our withdrawal address and make sure all the information that we have inputted is correct. And finally, you need to approve the withdrawal by using your authenticator app or whichever two-factor authentication you have set up on your Binance account. Then the transaction will be processed on the blockchain, and it should arrive in your wallet within a matter of moments. Now, it is also worth remembering that when you're doing a withdrawal, especially if you are withdrawing to a new wallet address that perhaps you have not used before, you should always send a test withdrawal. So, for example, you might be wanting to withdraw a lot more than $2 US. You might be sending $1,000, but you should always start maybe with a test of $1 or $2 to execute that withdrawal. Ensure that the $2 does arrive correctly into your destination wallet. Then you know for sure that you did everything correctly and everything worked as it should. And then you can come back to Binance and proceed to withdraw the larger amount that you may want to actually withdraw to that specific wallet. So that is how you go about withdrawing any cryptocurrency token from Binance. But the second method that we're going to look at is obviously withdrawing fiat currency. So you may have fiat currency in your account that you actually want to withdraw. So again, what you can do is come back to your spot wallet, and we need to find the currency that we actually want to withdraw from our account. So in this case, we're going to use euro as an example. So what we want to do is go to the drop down and click on withdraw. And this option allows us to withdraw euro, US dollar, or whatever fiat currency is local to your country, and withdraw that money to your bank account by doing a SEPA transfer or some kind of wire transfer. So again, you need to select the option here. These options will vary depending on your specific local currency and which currency you are trying to withdraw for your specific bank account. But for example, we will use the euro example here. We want to set up a SEPA transfer. This SEPA transfer typically costs 50 cents. And that doesn't matter if we're sending €1 or if we're sending 10,000 euro. Well, actually it does vary, but it's pretty cost effective. If you're sending something like a few thousand euro, it's only €1 or €2 to make that SEPA transfer. Then we click on continue. Then it's going to ask us or prompt us to enter how much euro we want to withdraw. So we've only got €1 here in the balance as a test example, but you enter the amount of euro that you want to withdraw, and it's going to show you your transaction fee, saying that obviously because the transaction fee is 50 cents, we're only going to receive 50 cents into our bank account. Your bank should be connected here already if you've used it to deposit before, but you can add a new bank account by clicking on the change account button, entering in your bank account details, and then when you click continue here, it's going to ask you to confirm the transaction. And then similarly to what we just did a moment ago with the cryptocurrency withdrawal, it's going to prompt you to enter your two-factor authentication code to initiate the actual withdrawal and initiate the SEPA transfer to your bank account. Again, this option does typically take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to actually hit your bank account. So it is worth keeping that in mind. Again, if you're withdrawing cryptocurrency to a different cryptocurrency wallet, the initial option that we just looked at is more is more efficient if you're just trying to move funds around rather than putting them back into your bank account and then back into a different wallet or exchange. So you will typically have to wait at least 1 to 2 business days for the wire transfer or the SEPA transfer to arrive. So that is basically how you withdraw money from Binance. We looked at 2 different, pretty straightforward options for how to withdraw cryptocurrency, and then also how to withdraw fiat currency like euro or US dollar directly to your bank account. As always, if you enjoy this content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below. We're on the road to our first 1,000 followers, so please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world. Make sure to hit the bell notification icon so you can get updated as we're dropping multiple videos every single week. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.